to Breathe with Jennie. I'm Jennie here today with another set of exercises to strengthen your shoulders. These can be taken in a seat on the ground, in a chair, standing, or in my case, I'm going to take them in a variation of a squat. I have kind of cranky knees, so I'm not going to take the squat standing today, but what I am going to do is I'm sitting up on two blocks. I'm going to take my feet wide, ensure that my knees are facing the same direction as my feet, and sit up nice and tall. And if this does not work for you, again, you can do this sitting in a chair, standing with or without the squat. Completely up to you. The focus is primarily on the shoulders. We will begin by taking our arms out long in front of us, about shoulder height. And we're going to alternate opening one arm out to the side and then the other. Bringing your awareness to the back of your shoulders, those big shoulder blades known as your scapulae. All right, after doing that a few times, we're going to add some external rotation of the shoulders. We'll lift the arm up, turning the shoulder out by taking your hand to the back of your neck or thereabouts. Lifting up, coming back down. Doing the same with the opposite arm. Arm comes up, take the hand to the back of your neck, bring it back up and down. Do that one more time. You can do this as many times as you'd like. All right, that was a little external rotation. Now we'll add a little bit of internal rotation. You'll take the arm out, turn your arm and take the back of your hand to your low back. Arm comes back out, back to center. Other arm out to the side, back of the hand to the low back, open back out to the side, back in front. Do that one more time. And if you notice, when you turn your hand to come to your low back, your shoulder is turning in for some inward rotation. And then come back. And then you may want to adjust how your feet are depending on how you've decided to sit. And then we'll take just a couple of shoulder circles, taking your time. You may have a different amount of range of motion, and that's okay. Just noticing. Don't forget to breathe. All right, and one more thing. We'll take the arms out to the sides, and we're going to turn the palms towards the back and turn them up towards the sky, keeping them again about shoulder height. And this, for me, is a whole lot of work. Whew. One more. Back out to the sky. Lower down. Feel free to give your shoulders a wiggle, get that blood flowing, maybe a few circles this way, a few circles that way. And that concludes today's shoulder strengthening. See you next time.